Welcome back. Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath, while addressing a public rally in Palghar, Uttar Pradesh, has said that once the Prime Minister Narendra Modi is elected for the third time, Pakistan-occupied Kashmir will be part of India within 6 months. A big declaration from the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, who has said that if Prime Minister Modi is elected to power for the third time, the Pakistan-occupied Kashmir is definitely going to be part of India within 6 months. Let's listen in to what the Chief Minister has said.
भाई जो हमारा दुश्मन है हम उसकी पूजा थोड़े करेंगे। अरे कोई हमारे लोगों को मारेगा तो हम उसको पूजेंगे नहीं भाई, हम भी तो उसको वही करेंगे जिसका वो हकदार है, और वही हो रहा है। और अब तो पाकिस्तान को, पाक अधिकृत कश्मीर को बचाना मुश्किल हो रहा है। आप देखना, चुनाव के बाद मोदी जी को तीसरी बार प्रधानमंत्री बनने दीजिए, अगले 6 महीने के अंदर आप देखेंगे कि पाक अधिकृत कश्मीर भी भारत का हिस्सा हुआ।
Siddharth Mishra joins us now for more on this. Siddharth, it's very interesting that the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh has raised this issue at a time when violent protests have erupted in Pakistan-occupied Kashmir over rising costs of food, fuel, etc. At a time when Pakistan itself is reeling under a very severe economic crisis.
Well, that's absolutely right. Look, this is not the first time that Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh is mentioning Pakistan in his election speech. But at the same time, what is happening in POK is something which is unavoidable. In fact, we all are very well aware about the issues that the locals are raising in POK. Perhaps there are a lot of protests taking place in POK, and also, most important point, that there are groups, those who are demanding POK, those who are demanding the government of India to take control of POK. In fact, we have come across some voices just a few days back. Now, the same has been recreated by Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, Yogi Adityanath, in addressing a public meeting in Palghar district of Maharashtra. Perhaps he said, and I quote, "Let PM Modi become the Prime Minister for the third time, and within 6 months, POK will become part of India." Unquote. Now, as far as the official line of Government of India is concerned, Government of India has maintained this line that part of Kashmir was, is, and will always be an integral part of India. And since the protest is going on in POK, there are a lot of problems, a lot of issues. The demand is coming in from POK only. The people, those who are living in those areas, that POK should be merged with India. And the same sentiment has been reiterated by Yogi Adityanath during his public meeting in Maharashtra.
All right, Siddharth, I'm going to leave it at that. But thank you so much for joining us and telling us a little bit more on that speech that the Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath had made during a rally. With that, it's time for me to take a short break. Keep watching. Our special programs follow on the other side.